A lot of founders and CEOs are getting stuck at 2 or 3 million per year. They're not sure really how to pass, not sure what to do next. I'm going to give you the entire breakdown of the system that we've built for our clients, over 57-figure clients. It's a clear system where we build it out for your business. And I'm going to unveil it with you today. I'm going to be going over everything that you need for the system. This is it. I'm going to be unveiling it piece by piece so you can actually understand what needs to happen. Before I actually go in, let me just give you a bit of proof about me, tell you a bit more what I've done in my past. Like, originally I was not good at sales. I would start off as a sales rep, but I got good. I practiced, learned, trained, read the books, got the right leaders and managers in place, and I learned how to sell. Did nothing apart from sell membership for years and years. I was doing nothing but the reps of actually selling gym memberships until I was selling many different other high ticket products. But before I got here, I was managing a team. I was managing a sales team up and down the country, for all the way from Sheffield to London, if you would know where the UK is. But I was managing it for a company called Virgin Active. And they, in 2019, you can see on Company House, reached 48 million in revenue. I was training all the sales reps, sales managers, doing all the sales training, sales performance, coaching the salespeople, analyzing their performance, giving them tips on how to improve day to day in the field of growing this business, and step-by-step coaching and leading some salespeople. That is the bread and butter. But, you know, I got bored after the lockdown. I wanted to try something else. But because I had the operational skills and because I did all of that, I had passion for sports rehab clinics. I had a passion for sports therapy. I opened 3 clinics within 6 months because I knew how to operate a business. I knew how to do operations. And then I went back into fitness because I realized, you know, I don't want to just be a clinic owner. I don't want to manage 17 physios. So I started traveling and I started going around the world and training sales teams and building sales teams, from this picture at Singapore all the way to Australia, to Thailand, to America. Wherever I was going, I was training sales teams. And then around last year, we actually pivoted. So we started training sales teams of high ticket courses. And now we've trained over 50 seven-figure business owners, but we've built this one system. And the system that we built was built off the marketing system, the marketing cycle. You probably might have seen this before, but if I give you a quick explanation, awareness is where someone just finds out about you. Engage is where they might see your ad, might watch a bit more, might look a bit more. Subscribe might give you their email address, they might do a little bit more, or they start to convert into a sale and they buy your stuff. So this is a simple cycle, getting someone from finding out about you to buying your stuff. But how do we actually break down this system and how you actually get your sales? How do you get more sales? We actually build out something called the acquisition system. And the acquisition system that we build out, I'm going to be going over in this video so you can actually take it and use it for your own business. Here's mine for my business. Now, we are on track to hit 3 million revenue. We want to get 10 million revenue. That is our number one goal. That's what we do. And how are we actually doing that? So we run Facebook ads at the top. The Facebook ads go straight to a VSL page. The VSL page goes to appointment booking, a sales call, and people buy. Like, that's simple. That's nothing amazing. We've not done anything new here. But what makes it good is the system and how we built it and how we flow and how we catch every single lead and don't miss opportunities. So let's break it down. On the awareness stage, the only thing that we do right at the top of the funnel is run Facebook ads. Some will argue YouTube, this video that you're watching today, or my short form content, it is awareness because you might catch a viral reel. That's not how we actually place it for our business or our clients. We use it more as engagement because we know if you're running ads, people do their research. They want proof. Just same as you. You might want proof. You might look at my socials. You might look at my client wins. You might look at all the businesses we work with. You might look at my history. You might go on Company House and say, oh, did this guy actually work for this company? So people need proof and they need to see more. It's a trust recession. This is why this content needs to be deep. Your organic YouTube, your organic IG, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. These all sit in the engagement stage, and they are not linked in the line of the customer where they watch your ad, but they will go there. They will find their way there themselves. So when they are going to watch your content, obviously there's a deeper strategy of how to make the content, but I'm going to focus more on the top line, the system itself, which is what most people don't have. Most of you are looking at what content do I make, or if I post this, this will happen. This is the system that you need to actually grow, to acquire customers. This is the acquisition system that we build. So in our business, all of our short form content leads to a free school community. And you'll see it in the link description below. You'll be able to see we actually built our school community of 7-figure business owners who want to build and grow their sales team, who are making between 1 and 10 million a year, and truly want to dial in that sales team to perform better so they can grow and scale. And then also need a hand on operations, as that's our key areas of skill: sales and then high-end operations. Now, when you join our school group, what will happen? Well, you'll give us your details and a setter will call, and the setter will call the lead and say, hey, you joined the school. Let me make sure that you're on the right. It'll feel almost like an onboarding call. And the onboarding call, a lot of the times, or the setter will call, and the setter will have a conversation, something like, just checking you got logged into the community, just ensuring that you got access to the course. Whether they say yes or no, it still leads to the same conversation, which is what made you join, what made you click the link, a bit about that person, leading them to an appointment call. So the number one thing, let me just draw an arrow here, because this one needs an arrow going up this way, not down that way. So the setter is calling to book an appointment. They're doing a triage call, 5 to 10 minutes long, moving them into an appointment. And then they will lead into a sales call. Now this cycle from someone going from these stages all the way to school and the setter calling can sometimes take 3 months, can sometimes take weeks on end of someone watching your content. As you know, like, the goal with the ad is to get a quick sale. We wanted to get people to see the ad, watch the VSL and buy. But most people can't do that. I'll be honest, I'm not the best copywriter, but I'm great at delivering the business strategies, the sales teams. So my weaker areas are made up by this content here, because my YouTube content is far better than my copywriting. So although the copywriting is great and it's going to do okay, how can I secure that when someone watches my ad and they come here, they actually get the right content, where I make deep strategic content on our YouTube, organic, and then on our short form. And then that leads to our school community. The setter will call and put them in for an appointment. But when we get your email over here, we get your email when you enter your details on the landing page. When we get the email, we'll start nurturing them. So we'll start sending daily emails. What that does is it adds a deeper sense of a relationship with the customer, or your potential customer. Because the first thing was, like, they never knew about you, so they found out about you. And then this is where they'll start to watch you more, but this is where they just don't forget about you. They can't forget because you're pushing into their phone. Because if the algorithm changes, if I don't get pushed, I've never actually gone viral, but I've grown a massive business. How have I grown a multi-7-figure business without going viral? Well, this is exactly how. I've actually step by step used the logic of, well, they'll watch me, then I'll get their email, they'll not forget about me because I'll write to them, and then I'll put them in for an appointment call. Obviously, this is where our sales skills kick in. This is the area that we build the sales teams. And then the other areas, we have like a done-for-you system where we build this system for our clients, and every automation, every system on the back end, we will build as well with our team. But this entire thing is built for the business. And it's built mainly because without a clear direction of where the customer is going, like the journey of that customer, how can you understand how to sell to them? Because if something's not working, I'm able to make strategic changes. So this is the step-by-step system that you need to actually build. Now I'm going to help you build one for yourself. So if I just delete a lot of the components on here, and we'll go through a few scenarios. We're going to build it together. Now, if I was to say to you, right, are you running ads or no ads? You might say, right, I'm going to be running YouTube ads. So I'm going to show you how this scenario works for everyone. So you're going to be running YouTube ads. And that's your top of funnel. And this is what a lot of people are doing. And obviously we're going to be adding some YouTube ads in. And then additional to your YouTube ads, let's say you hate short form content in this scenario. You don't want to make short form content. We're not going to talk about it. We're just going to do YouTube. So more YouTube videos on the engagement stage. Most people are here and they don't have a way to get the details in the subscribe section. They don't know what kind of group. So I always suggest you make a free group. So we've been using School. We've made tutorials on School. I've done some one-on-one work with Alex Hamosi. So I do like the School platform. Now, obviously you can't use School's own landing page because it's not as good, it's not as optimized. You don't get the email if they look. So we make our own landing page and we make it in HubSpot, or you can use GHL. Then on YouTube, what we'll do is we know that people are going to be subscribing, and then the setter is going to be right here. So this is the format. Now, if you have a smaller business, if you're not at the stage where you need to work with us, like if you're making like less than 20, 30K a month, you obviously just need this system built out. Very simple. You don't want it complicated. If you're making more than 50, 60, 70,000 a month, 200K a month, and you're really trying to grow, you have to have the operations and sales nailed. But this is the first part. Before we talk about the sales process, short ratios, how to manage the sales team, the sales manager, this is the first piece that really needs to be dialed in, because this is the first thing that we look at on the onboarding for our clients. Now, on the YouTube ads, we'll make sure that this goes straight to an appointment call. Well, on the subscribe section, it's actually giving you details. So they're on the VSL. Then after the VSL, they are set to convert on a booking page, on a booked appointment, because they might not book. So remember, what needs to happen, if they go from the VSL and they don't book this, the setter will call. So if they do not book, the arrow will go from here, the setter will call them, and the setter will move them back in to an booked appointment. So this is actually like a routing system where the VSL, they come in, enter their details on the landing page, they do not book their appointment, so the setter will call and book them in. Most people don't even have this simple system built in. And then from YouTube, we know that they're going to go to School. From School, we're going to give them a call from the setter. And then the goal is to get a sales call. And then the purchase is going to be further down over here. Obviously, I've not done it with proper business processing mapping, so any nerds, don't go crazy on me. So this is they buy or they purchase. And this is the flow here. You don't have to have emails. If you are a bigger business, I'm going to say add emails in here. But this is the simple format for YouTube. And I can do this for any platform. You can do this for any business. But we have to look at the business itself. Why do we do YouTube on this one? But we make sure the avatar is on YouTube. So we go wherever your ideal customer is. If your ideal customer is on LinkedIn, then you're going to go on LinkedIn. If your ideal customer is on Twitter, then you're going to go on Twitter. You're just going to make sure that you build out this acquisition system custom for your business. And this is how we actually build it. And just to go back to ours on why it's been working so well, every time we get a customer who's been on the VSL, and obviously you know there should be an arrow here, and they've not gone through, the setter calls them. The chance of us missing leads, like I think in the last few days, every 20 leads we've been getting, we've been booking an appointment. And I look at a lot of businesses that get 50, 60, 70 leads a day. They are not booking appointments. And our appointments are highly qualified because our setters, we train, just like we train for our client sales teams, we train the setters so they know how to get the right information, the right pain point. They are the right people and they qualify them on that call for the book call. Like we are selling for one of our clients at the moment who sells for an English tutoring business. We make sure that that parent is able to afford and qualify to be able to book them in for an appointment off the setting call. And I did those setting calls with the team, with the business in the last few days. And I can tell you that one setting call, when it's scripted and done properly, because we give our scripts to our clients, it will change the game for how a business can operate. Because obviously your closer is here, or you're a founder and you're a smaller business, you're sat here on the sales call. But the setter is such an important piece. In the beginning, when you're making 5, 10K a month, you obviously do everything. But as you grow in scale and you're hitting the few $100,000 a month, you've got to have people here and have them trained and have those processes. So that is a simple acquisition system. I'm not going to go any more deeper into it because I just want to make it really simple so you guys can actually start implementing it. So if you need anything to do with growing your sales team, there's a link below, and you can actually hit the link where we can actually work together, and we can actually we can actually assess if you're in need of our services, so we can do like an audit on your business, on your sales process. So we do that audit with you. If you need any support like that, hit the link below, subscribe to the page. You'll see multiple different videos that you can click on around this video. Please click and watch the next video, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.